Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss how we convert any binary number into gray code or any gray code into binary. In previous lecture of mine, I discussed about the XS3 code, binary coded decimal code, and brief idea about the gray code. So in today's lecture, first of all, I explain how we write gray code for 2-bit number. So 2-bit. So in digital, we already discussed this formula 2 raised to n, where n is the number of bits and 2 raised to n is the possible number of combination. If 2 bits, we talk about 2 bits, so 2 raised to 2 means possible combination are 4. So first of all, we write the binary code, then we will write the gray code for 2-bit. So 4 possible combination are 4. So here we write the binary code for 2-bit. So possible combination are 4, divide by 2. Why we divide by 2? Because we want to represent into binary. In binary we have only 2 bits, 0 and 1. So 4 divided by 2 means 2 0 2 1. Then 2 divided by 2, so single 0 single 1 single 0 single 1. So this is the binary equal. Okay, now I want to write gray code. So again 2-bit gray code, so possible combination are 4, divide by 2. So first of all we write 2 0. First of all we write here 2 0 and 2 1. First of all we write 2 0 2 1. But I already explained in previous class, gray code is also known as unit distance code or unit distance code or mirror code. Okay. So first of all we write 2 0 2 1, then 2 divided by 2 single 0 single 1, and after that here we make a mirror image. So this 1 is right here and this 0 is right here. Okay, that's why gray code is also known as unit distance code. आप ध्यान से देखिए, this 0 here, this 0 0 and here 0 1, only one bit is changed. Then from here to here 1 1 is same, only 0 to 1, only one bit change, only at a time one bit change. That's why name is unit distance code. Now here I write gray code for 3-bit. 3-bit means possible combination are 8. So first of all write binary. 8 divided by 2 means 4. So 4 0 here, then 4 1. Then 4 divided by 2, 2 0 2 1, 2 0 2 1. Then 2 divided by 2, single 0 single 1 and so on. Now gray code. So in gray code, possible combination are 8 for 3-bit. So first of all divide by 2, 4 0 4 1. Then divide by 2, 2 0 2 1, and after that you make a mirror image. So these 2 1 here, 2 0. Then 2 divided by 2 1, single 0 single 1, and here we make a mirror image. Okay, so 1 0 0. Then here make a mirror image, so 0 1 1. Mirror image means write just in opposite manner. देखिए 0 1 1 0. So here 0 1 1 0. Here I explain how we write 4-bit gray code. 4-bit gray code. 4-bit gray code means possible combination are only 16. Possible combination are 16. So 16 divide by 2. 16 divide by 2 means 8. So first of all you write 8 0. Then 8 1. 4 5 6 7 8. 8 0 8 1. Then divide by 2. 4 0 4 1, and after that you make a mirror image. Mirror image I already told means write in opposite manner. So write like this. Okay, means 1 1 1 1 and then 4 0. Then 4 divided by 2, 2 0 2 1. Then make a mirror image. So 1 1 0 1 0 0. I already told na, write oppositely like this. Okay, then again you make mirror image. So 0 0 1 1 and here 1 1 0 0. Then similarly here 0 1, then make a mirror image 1 0. then make a mirror image here 0 1 1 0, then make a mirror image here 0 1 1 0, and here 0 1 1 0. So this is the 4-bit gray code. This is the 4-bit gray code. Okay, this is also known as unit distance code. Okay, this is also known as unit distance code or 1-bit change code. Now next is how we convert binary to gray for any number of bits. So here I take one example of binary number. Here I take one example of binary number, that is 11101. This is binary and I want to convert into gray. So very simple approach. First of all, write MSB as it is. MSB means most significant bit. So this bit write as it is. And for remaining calculation, you know the truth table of XOR gate. So truth table of XOR gate is A XOR B. 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. So XOR of this is this. So 1 1 XOR of these two. 1 1 XOR is 0. See here na? Then 1 1 XOR is again 0. Then 1 0 XOR is 1 1, and 0 1 XOR is 1. 0 1 XOR is 1. Very simple approach. Write MSB as it is, then take the XOR of remaining two conjugated bits. Means 1 1 XOR is 0, 1 1 XOR is 0, 1 0 XOR is 1, 0 1 XOR is 1. So this is the binary to gray code conversion. Now next is gray to binary code. So for this again I take one gray code number, that is 1010. How we convert? So for this you also know the truth table of XOR gate. So truth table of XOR is very simple: 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. This is 0 1 1 0. Now first of all, in this case also MSB write as it is. MSB means most significant bit, or you say leftmost bit. Okay, so you write MSB as it is. Okay, then you take the XOR of this B3 and G2. XOR of this B3 and G2. So B3 is 1, G2 is 0 for the given number. 1 0 XOR is 1. You write here. Then you take XOR of B2 and G1. So 1 1 XOR is 0 right here. Then you take XOR of B1 and G0. 0 0. So 0 0 XOR is 0. So this is the very simple approach how we convert any gray code into binary. First of all, write MSB as it is. Then you take the XOR of B3 and G2, B2 and G1, B1 and G0, like this. B3, देखिए ध्यान से, B3 is G3, means MSB write as it is. Then for B2, B3 and G2 XOR, for B1, B2 and G1 XOR, and B0, B1 and G0 XOR. So hopefully आप लोगों को आज का लेक्चर अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा कि हाउ वी कन्वर्ट बाइनरी टू ग्रे और ग्रे टू बाइनरी कोड. अगर आपको आज का लेक्चर अच्छा लगा है सो प्लीज लाइक माय यूट्यूब चैनल और सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल और लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस. ओके, थैंक यू.